network. I'm using Wi-Fi. Okay, so IPv4, just put within the net ID, which means 192.168.10.2. Subnet mask. Yeah. That's all, no gateway. 192.168.10.2. Then press OK. Okay. Press OK. I'm gonna cancel because I only have a Wi-Fi. And then that should be ping a wall. Pingable. Properties. IPv4 and put IP address 10.2 then subnet. So it's within the network ID, meaning same subnet. Okay. And then try to ping. Should be reachable. So ping 10.3. Okay, reachable na.